everyone. I'm super excited because I just bought a brand new rain gauge, the newest addition to my weather monitoring system. We have it in a cute little area we have set up in our house with a windmill. That one's an old mechanical windmill that we plan on restoring. It came with the house, along with this other windmill that I have attached to my house that actually reports back to a weather station and tells me how fast the wind speed is. We're expecting some really heavy rain this evening into tomorrow. So I'm super excited for that rain gauge because it's going to tell me exactly how much rain we got in our area. And it actually has a really cute light on it too. It's solar powered, just like a lot of the things that we have in our place right now. We try to use solar as much as possible. That cute little globe in the middle is supposed to light up, so I'm excited to see what it's going to look like at night. And excited to see how much rain we got. So more to come. So it's about 8:45 on January 3rd, 2023. We were expecting some heavy downpours, heavy rainfall earlier today and all throughout the night, and also tomorrow, mostly in the morning. It started raining about 4:30 this afternoon, and as you can see, with my new nifty rain gauge here, we got about 1.5 inches of rain. There's the 2 line right there. There's the 1 line right up under here. See, we're about halfway in between the two. So that's about 1.5 inches of rain in 4 hours. That's pretty serious. I mean, it was raining seriously hard earlier. So I'm not surprised that we got that much rain. We're expecting another round of rain in a little bit. The rain let up long enough for me to come out here and make this video, but I'll check it again in the morning after we get our night's round of rain and see what the rain gauge is at. I'm not going to empty it. I'm going to wait and see what we get through this entire rain event. Okay, it's about just after 9:30 on January 4th, 2023. You can ignore the date and time on this machine. I can't get it connected to the Wi-Fi for some reason, so the date and time are incorrect. We were expecting some heavy wind, but it looks like the fastest wind gust that we got, or wind speed that we got, was 9 miles an hour over the last 24 hours. It was raining really heavily last night after 9 or so. It kind of increased around 10, 11 o'clock and tapered off. It's been on and off all night. Started back up with some serious lightning and thunder around 6 or 7 o'clock this morning. So I'm excited to see what the rain gauge is at. Let's go look. It's almost 10 o'clock. The rain seems to be tapering off. The ground is super soggy. I don't know if you could hear how squishy it is. Seems like this rain event moved out a lot faster than was expected. Wasn't expecting the rain to move out until about lunchtime, but here it is, almost 10 o'clock, and looks like our rain event is ending. And wow, 3.5 inches of rain. We were expecting 2 to 3 inches. Got 3.5. That's pretty awesome. So over the course of from 4:30 yesterday until about 10 o'clock today, that's about 18 hours. We got 3.5 inches of rain. That's pretty impressive. So this rain gauge was a success. So excited to have this rain gauge as part of my weather monitoring equipment. I prefer the old school, non-electronic equipment, but having the electronic backup is pretty good too. The rain's starting to come down a little bit more, so I'm gonna head back inside. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please share it. I just absolutely love this rain gauge. Look what happens when you turn the lights off. This thing, you can see it from really far away, and it's really pretty.